Welcome to this mouth-watering recipe tutorial. Today, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to make a flavorful chimichurri sausage pita with slaw and crispy sweet potato fries. Step 1. Gather ingredients. You'll need sausages, your choice of pork, beef, or plant-based, pita bread, sweet potatoes, cabbage, shredded, carrots, julienne, red onion, thinly sliced. For the chimichurri sauce, you'll need fresh parsley, fresh cilantro, garlic cloves, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and of course, salt and pepper. Step 2. Prepare the chimichurri sauce. In a food processor, combine fresh parsley, cilantro, garlic cloves, red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pulse until the herbs are finely chopped and the sauce is well blended. Then, set it aside. Step 3. Make the coleslaw. In a large bowl, toss together shredded cabbage, julienne carrots, and thinly sliced red onion. Drizzle some chimichurri sauce over the coleslaw mixture and toss until well coated. Set aside. Step 4. Prepare sweet potato fries. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Then cut your sweet potatoes into thin strips or wedges. Toss those sweet potato strips in a bit of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Spread them out onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they're crisp around the edges. Step 5. Cook sausages and assemble pittas. Grill or pan fry your sausages until they're cooked through. Once they're done, warm up some pita bread in the oven or on a hot skillet for a few minutes. Fill each pita with sausages, followed by a generous amount of chimichurri slaw. Step 6. Serve with sweet potato fries. Arrange those crispy sweet potato fries alongside your delicious chimichurri sausage pitas. Now that your plates are ready to go, it's time to savor this delectable dish bursting with flavors.